we really wanted to take the action to the next level, and we wanted to make sure that what the country was missing was real action heroes.
Action director.
And also Shruti Hassan, she's shooting in London, and we've consciously taken a decision क्योंकि श्रुति का special appearance था इस film के अंदर, and she's got two of the most beautiful songs.
We didn't miss that. Sunil is blushing. Okay, now it's over to the media. आप लोगों के सवाल जवाब, please आप लोग please have a seat.
Shweta,
Hi,
that's a
John.
joke, huh, Shweta?
Hi, John. This is Urvi here from Pinkvilla. To your left. Yeah. Hi. John, last time when we had spoken, you said that the film boasts of never seen before action, which is rightly seen in the trailer. Was there any kind of preparation that you had to do for doing this kind of action?
Yeah, so I went off to Thailand for I think a little less than a month, and I trained in especially the knife action that you see. So even if the knives are blunt, they really hurt. So I remember when I used to go in for a shower in the evening, I used to remember the action in the day. Because the whole body was black and blue during training. But I think it all paid off because my director gave me a brief and he said the action has to be of a certain caliber. And I think we've achieved that with this film. So it's like I say, it's real action. It's not kung fu, it's not karate, it's not CG, but it's real action, and you can believe it that this guy is hitting people, they are getting hurt. So we wanted to stick to the realism.
Hi, John, over here. John, you're doing two back-to-back action films. One is Rocky Handsome, another is Force, and both the films are said to have taken the action to the next level. So how differently have you approached the action in both films?
I think I can speak for Rocky Handsome now because Force is still in production. Force has got a completely different brief and a different kind of an action. Force 2. Force was directed by Nishi. Rocky Handsome, of course, we really wanted to take the action to the next level, and we wanted to make sure that what the country was missing was real action heroes. And if you see the best action heroes internationally, correct me if I'm wrong, would be Stallone, would be Bruce Willis, would be Schwarzenegger, would be Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. These are your big action heroes. And it's not about the action as much as it is about the attitude. And I think that's what we try to maintain, the right balance of body, action, and the attitude.
And how many action sequences are there in Rocky Handsome?
In totality, I think so 9 or 10, but 7 major sequences. Yeah.
Bone crunching, huh? Really bone crunching.
हाय जॉन दिस इज प्राची फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण इस फिल्म का नाम कैसे डिसाइड किया गया रॉकी हैंडसम
Now we always have this debate who found the name, but I found it.
Okay.
Then it all started that it's Johnny Handsome. When we saw this look, I said you look very handsome in this. So Johnny Handsome was a film way back. Then we thought Johnny becomes too direct, like John Abraham. So we gave it a thought 1 or 2 days, and I thought of Rocky Handsome. He always says he thought. No, I thought of it.
But for me, it worked because Stallone. I'm a big fan of Stallone. So, but credit to Nishi. He really thought of this name, and I think it's a very catchy name. With whatever research we've done, extremely catchy.
And also it does justice to the subject. Like both the names he's called in different places.
Nishi sir, here Ali from movietalks.com. My question to you, same time during the action and acting, how difficult for you same time doing action and acting? Yeah.
Acting and direction.
Yeah.
Very honestly, extremely difficult. I have never done it before. I've done separately. I've acted I've done my share of theatre and everything. But I've been a very pure director when it comes to directing. It is difficult, and I respect those legends who have done it before, like the greats who have been actor directors for generations and successful. The biggest problem I face is if I'm acting, I'm thinking like a director, whether the opposite actor is performing well or not, the trolley position is correct or not, the lights are correct or not, and that disturbs my performance. So I don't make justice to my own acting if I'm directing at the same time. So in fact, it was a last moment thing that I had to act in the film. Uh, Ideally, I will not direct myself as an actor. I will try and avoid it. Yeah, separately I might act or separately I might direct, but not together.
But same time, don't even look like who decide the look. Totally like bored, you know.
So he's the director, he decides everything.
No, actually, Teddy plays my younger brother. Teddy, just get up now. See, this is how he looks. So,
Teddy, come on stage, yeah.
so it is like a tale of two brothers. So I had to look like his brother, and the best way was to get tonsured. No, actually, I had just thought of it 2-3 days before when I kept on looking at Teddy, and I said, "How will I look like his brother?" So the idea came off, and then yes, my assistants made it a point that I stay tonsured for 1.5 year. So they kept on, yeah. After every 3 months, they would have a schedule saying that no, now you're allowed to do takla again. They kept me busy with that. Thank you for that.
Okay, lastly, now you're more focused in direction and acting because you're famous in, I think now, villain also. So
No, no, no. Direction will always remain first love. That always remains.
John, this is Nandeep from DNA. I have a question to both of you. You guys have gifted us Force, which redefined action in Bollywood. There's a recall value to that film. Also, people expect a lot from you guys, both as a pair. So, do you think it will be an advantage or a disadvantage for Rocky Handsome, or both?
I think I can only see it being an advantage. It's because Nayandeep, we've actually taken the film, honestly, we've taken it to another level. I wouldn't just say it. You've seen the trailer, you've seen what we've done here. And what we do is we benchmark our films against our last films only. That's the best way of doing it. And I think this is completely taken to another level.
Obviously, the collaboration of me and him and Force behind us helps Rocky Handsome. It's definitely an advantage when it comes to release. But we, as individuals, we had a much higher responsibility that if we've created some sort of a name as a team, then we have to take it to the next level. In fact, it was in a way disadvantage for us in the sense while working that we had to constantly remind ourselves that it has to be way better than Force or our earlier collaborations. But yes, it definitely helps for the film that we are working together again.
You know, one more question. Marketing and promotions are an integral part of filmmaking today. This film has been marketed really intelligently. You know, there's a teaser coming out, then the songs, then the trailer. Whose plan was it, and how creatively are you involved, John, in the marketing campaign? Like releasing it 3 weeks prior to the...
I think, see, that's a very good question. I'll tell you, first of all, I'll give credit to Digi Osmosis, which is doing our digital campaign, Spot On, which is doing our on-ground campaign, and Parag and our entire PR team. But outside of that, Rahul Nanda is someone who has been very instrumental in actually making this happen. He's been a think tank, and outside of that, I think Sunir and his entire team with Nishi and me, we've actually, each one of us has been completely involved. Because if you see, this is not a multi-starrer. This is just 3 or 4 of us sitting here. So each one of us has taken every little photograph into account, saying 3 हफ्ते पहले ये release होना चाहिए, उसके बाद 2 हफ्ते पहले या 3 दिन पहले ये release होना चाहिए, 2 दिन पहले ये. So even if you see the trailer launch, every little thing has been taken into account. So we've actually been very careful with the marketing, but we've also been very honest with the film. We've not tried to show another film that it is. This is Rocky Handsome. This is what you're going to get, and please come and watch it.
निशिकांत सर, आपके राइट इधर मैं ईटीवी से रितेश हूँ.
Actually, just one second. Apologies. Just Right Studios, who's done visual promotions, has a big hand in the way our various things are looking on the audiovisual format.
Yeah, Manish, I think fantastic. I just gave him a big hug today for a fantastic presentation.
सर आपसे सवाल है कि जब ये कैरेक्टर लिखे जा रहे थे तभी से आपका डिसाइड था कि आप ही विलेन बनेंगे, कोई और भी दिमाग में था?
वेरी ऑनेस्टली नहीं था. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं विलन का किरदार करूँगा. इनफैक्ट मेरे एक बहुत करीबी दोस्त है जो एक्टर नहीं है, लेकिन उनका फेस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, तो मैं उनके पीछे पड़ा था कि आप ये रोल करो, आप ये रोल करो. तो बोला हाँ मैं सोचता हूँ ये वो. थोड़ा क्या है कि रोल मैं वो बोलता मैंने एक्टिंग कभी की नहीं है, वो बोलता मैं संभाल लूंगा.